another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, cause there's excitement.
Objective accomplished. And now we're meeting Bryce and Scott. And Scott we haven't seen for like 2 years. He's been in Mexico, so this is the first time we're going to see him. And yeah, we're just down here at Coburn Sound. And now I'm going to try and find them. What's up? Bring it in, bro. It's been too long. How have you grown? Is he taller now? Good to see you, man. Why don't bring your shoes on? Yeah, chuck anything you need. So we've got Scott just warming up right now because the water is freezing, everyone. I'm going to go get the GoPro.
4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me, that's right. And if you want a good tomorrow, it's pretty simple, gotta find a light to follow. And if you do, you have a future real bright. And it's a combination of consistency. Come on and sing, oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing, yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing, yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. With another sunrise, it's a brand new day, so gonna make a little list to keep the worries away. I got it.
So we've just finished up. Bryce, how was it? Cold? Could you see much? No. Okay, so the water wasn't the clearest, but I'll tell you what, we've got some stunning, amazing photos of you, some smashing photos. Scott's just coming out now. We'll get his review of the location, and hopefully we'll be able to get some awesome photos and footage to you guys.
Not bad for a 115-year-old ship.
Still in good condition, eh? Seaworthy or not? We can't salvage her?
Water's not too clear, but
How was the water temp?
kind of hard to... Oh, he adjusted. When you first came in, it was a bit icy.
Yeah, sweet. And now, would you give what advice would you give to someone coming in first? Bryce gave great advice of checking the water clarity first. There's probably a website for that or something where they do regular water tests. Any equipment they should bring? Well, okay, here you go. So Scott's got his phone there. Definitely bring yourself a waterproof camera or a GoPro so you can get some of those awesome shots. All right, guys, we'll see you for our next adventure. Say goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.
There we go.
Peace.